Good morning, everybody, and thanks so much for joining us here on KXAN Live. I'm Will Dupree, coming to you from the KXAN Live studio. We're looking live right now at the Supreme Court of the United States in Washington, D.C., where the justices have issued a decision this morning about Texas's abortion law. Texas Senate Bill 8 will remain in effect after today's ruling. However, lawsuits that are challenging the tenets of this particular legislation are allowed to move forward because of this Supreme Court decision. We'll break down more of that in just a moment, but wanted to jump on here to share that breaking news with all of you at home. We do have a story about this on our website right now, KXAN.com. You can read more in depth as we continue to report about the implications of this morning's decision, but just wanted to highlight again the Texas abortion law that bans abortion after 6 weeks into a pregnancy is remaining in effect in the state. However, the justices are allowing challenges to this law to move forward by their decision. Wanted to pull up really quickly the ruling which we are going through at the moment. This is a 48-page ruling here from the Supreme Court of the United States. Whole Woman's Health there versus Jackson. This is from a district court case here in Texas, and this is the decision that was released earlier today. As we look live at the Supreme Court at this moment, wanted to point out that the United States Supreme Court has ruled that lawsuits can move forward here in Texas in regards to the law that bans most abortions. Justices ruled in that case that we just showed you a few moments ago, Whole Women's Health versus Jackson, that abortion clinics can keep challenging the law, coming more than a month after justices heard the first case back on November 1st. And this is considering procedural questions about the law, not the substance of it itself. Wanted to stress that again. This particular lawsuit is considering the procedural questions about the law, not what's actually contained in it. As I mentioned, the law now stands and remains in effect here in Texas, and just wanted to go over some of the tenets of it. This law, since it went into effect in September 1st, bans abortion after 6 weeks into a pregnancy when fetal cardiac activity is detected. Again, about 6 weeks into a pregnancy, when most doctors say that a lot of people don't even know that they are pregnant at that point. It also has no exceptions for rape or incest, and the court's previous major abortion rulings allowed states to prohibit abortions far past that 6-week mark, closer to once a fetus is viable outside the mother's womb. This particular law here in Texas also deputizes private citizens to bring lawsuits and enforce the law by, again, filing these civil suits against abortion providers, doctors, or anyone who might assist a woman get an abortion. That law again went back into effect in September on the 1st. As we show you this live image from the Supreme Court of the United States in D.C., just wanted to reiterate yet again that the Supreme Court's ruling earlier this morning says that lawsuits challenging the Texas abortion law can move forward. Abortion providers have brought a number of lawsuits against the state of Texas over this particular law, so those can move forward now because of the Supreme Court's decision. However, the law remains in effect here in Texas. So we are still parsing through the ruling today. We'll keep reporting about some of the implications of this and what it means going forward. So you can stay with us here on KXAN as we continue to work on that. And we will have much more information available on our website, KXAN.com, and on the KXAN News app that you can download right now on your smartphone and keep up with all the latest updates. So please do that if you haven't done so already. We're going to end our stream now, but I will direct you again to our website for full coverage of the Supreme Court's ruling about the Texas abortion case. Thanks again for watching this morning. I'm Will Dupree here in the KXAN Live studio. We'll see you back here another time, everybody. Please stay safe and healthy out there. Take care. Enjoy the rest of the day.